how to get VPN on PS5. So first you will need to get your phone, and for this I recommend NordVPN. You can check it as a pinned comment, but once you get a subscription here for the VPN or any VPN you want to use, you want to connect to a network. So let's just do this one as an example. So you need to allow it here, and you just want to connect to the network, okay? And just like that, I am now connected. So what we need to do next is gonna be to go into our settings. So click on settings, then you want to go back, again back, and you will go into personal hotspot, and you want to turn this on. Once you allow the personal hotspot, you will then go into your PS5 settings network. Now here you want to go settings again, set up internet connection. Here you will find your hotspot, click on it. You want to type the password for your hotspot, and once you type it, that is going to connect you to that network and it's going to use the VPN. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.